Hi you guys, this is Weltha. Okay, so today my brother is coming over and he wants some wings, so I'm just making him some wings. I asked him if he wanted some flavored wings, but he wants just some regular fried wings, so that's what I'm doing right now. Making my big brother some wings. So he'll be over in a few and he will be happy. Okay. Making my big brother some chicken wings. He wanted some fried chicken wings. He's on his way over. So I'm making my big brother some wings. For my big brother. All done. Don't they look delicious? All done. Wings for my brother.
He's gonna love these.
Yeah.
My big brother. Okay, brother. I got your wings.